Waking up in West Biloxi, the Gulf breeze in the air. Sunlight on the patio, not a single worry there. From the sugar white beaches to the Edgewater shore, at Palm Eyes Apartments, you're getting so much more. With me and Sarah, the team is on your side. Find the home that fits your soul and take it all in stride. From Eisenhower Drive to the Keesler AFB gate, living life the logic way, yeah, life is looking great. It's that four-gear feeling, that boosted pop flair, resort-style living with a budget to spare. 5% for the military, the heroes in our town. 3-month short-term leases, we never let you down. From Biloxi to the Lone Star State, the rhythm's just the same. At Corinthian said, you're more than just a name. Whether it's Trailwood Village in Kingwood, Houston pride, or La Jolla and Merida Vista with that Laredo vibe. Maybe Edgewater Point where the Biloxi waters gleam. We're helping you make choices that fulfill every dream. Walk-in closets, electric kitchens, and pools so crystal